If you're looking for custom high quality DTF transfers at the best cost, go check out JoesDTF.com today. We have a couple applications, real easy front and back for a few garments. Now I want to show you guys a trick when applying a DTF transfer. I have the front done. Now they want the back, but they want the logo to go up at the very top towards the collar. If I were to lay this down and press it, I'd be worried about uneven pressure with the collar itself. I'm going to show you guys a tool to definitely check out, which are just suppressing pillows. You can get them anywhere, you can make them if you want. And what I'm gonna do is thread this into the shirt. So this is gonna leave the pressure of the press only in the area I want to apply with the pressing pillow. But because I'm using the pressing pillow, it affected my overall pressure. So I'm gonna dial the pressure back a little bit. And now I have firm pressure right in the spot I want to apply. I'm gonna go about 2 inches down from the back of the collar, centered into the shirt, cover sheet. 5-second tack, heavy pressure with JoesDTF transfers. Hot peel, and go back and press for an entire 10 seconds at 290 degrees. Pressing pillow, quick preheat, about 2 inches from the bottom of the collar. Feel hot. Go back and press for the full 10 seconds. I just pressed 2 t-shirts. I know with the crew neck, the pressure is set perfectly because with that pressing pillow, I had to decrease the pressure. But since the thickness of the crew neck is there, I can keep the pressure the same. Lined up in the center of the crew neck, cover sheet, 5-second tack. Feel hot. Custom crew neck, but we have to do the back, same as the t-shirts. Importance of making sure you're checking the pressure. Now I have to use the pressing pillow, and I know the pressure is already set pretty high without it. So again, I'm gonna dial back even more. And that's perfect. We're gonna go 2 inches or 2 fingers from the bottom of the collar. Feel hot. There we have it.